Hello, welcome to Teacher's Bows lesson. Today we are going to learn about Year 2 Mathematics, Topic 4, Money. In this lesson, we will only focus about the subtopic 4.2, which is addition of money. Let's see our learning objectives. Relate the usage of money in daily life. Apply financial education in daily life. Think, give mathematical reasoning, and conduct exploration in daily life for future benefits. Communicate, relate, and solve problems involving financials. Before starting the lesson, let's have a revision. It will be related about the subtopic we have to learn later. First, 1 ringgit is equal to 100 cents. 1 ringgit is equal to 100 cents. Next, 10 cents is equal to 0.10 ringgit. 10 cents is equal to 0.10 ringgit. And we have to notice that 5 cents is equal to 0.05 ringgit. Next, let's go into our lesson. Addition of two values of money. As we can see, we have two pieces of money, which is one piece of 10 ringgit and one piece of 20 ringgit. So, as a total, we have 30 ringgit. Besides, we have a piece of 50 ringgit. If we want to sum up together, how can we do it? First, we write down 30 ringgit and we write down the 50 ringgit, and we have to add them from right to the left. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So don't forget to write our unit, which is RM. Then it is the answer. 30 ringgit plus 50 ringgit is equal to 80 ringgit. Next, let's move on to another example. As you can see, we have 15 ringgit and 50 cents. And then we have 11 ringgit and 20 cents. So we have to jot 15 ringgit 50 cents as RM 15.50, and then we have to write the 11 ringgit 20 cents as RM 11.20. So how can we sum up them together? We have to write down RM 15.50 first, and then write RM 11.20, and we sum it from the right to the left. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And then don't forget to write down the unit, RM. So the answer of this example is RM 26.70. Next, we have 57 and 50 cents. And then we have 16 ringgit and 70 cents. To sum them together, we have to write down RM 57.50 and plus RM 16.70, and then we will sum them from the right to the left. So 0 plus 0 equals to 0, and then we have 5 and 7. We plus 5 and 7 equals to 12. So we jot the 2 here down, and we don't forget to carry the 1 and then we plus 7 and 6 together. We will get 13. And then don't forget to add the 1 that we just carried just now. So we will get 14. And then we have to carry the 1. So we plus them together. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. And then we plus it with the 1 we have carried just now. And we will get 7. So we don't forget to write the unit RM. And we will get RM 74.20. Now, let's move on to the next section, which is addition of 3 values of money. As we can see, we have 3 values of money, which is 50 ringgit, 20 ringgit, and 15 ringgit. So we have to write RM50, RM20 plus RM15, and we need to sum it from the right to the left. But it is a little different from just now because we need to separate them to the 2 parts. Let's do the first part first, which is we sum the first value and the second value together. So we have 0 plus 0, we will get the sum 0. And then we do the second part, which is we plus the sum that we obtained just now to the third value, and we will get 0 plus 5, which is equals to 5. And then we do the left part. For the first part, we have 5 plus 2. So we get the sum of 7. And then we do the next part, which is 7 plus 1, which is equals to 8. So don't forget to write the unit RM. And we will get the answer 85 ringgit. Next, let's move on to the next part. Now we have 34 ringgit, 26 ringgit and 30 cent, 12 ringgit and 70 cent. Then we have to write down RM 34.00, RM 26.30 plus RM 12.70. And then, like just now, we have to sum them from the right to the left. Let's see the first row. The first row we have 0, 0, and 0. So it is very easy and we don't need to separate it into 2 parts. So we get the answer of 0. Next, let's see the second row. We have 0, 3, and 7. Let's see the first part, 0 and 3. We plus it together and we get the sum of 3. Then we sum the sum that we get just now with the 7. So the answer is 10. So we write down the 0 and we carry the 1. For the third row, we have the first part, 4 and 6. We sum them together and get 10. Then we plus the 10 with the 2. We get 12. However, don't write down the answer first because we have the 1 that we carried just now. We add it together and we have 13. So we will write the 3 and we carry the 1. And then the last row, we have 3, 2, and 1. We have to plus the first part first. We have 3 and 2. We plus them together and get 5. And then we have 5 and 1. So the sum is 6. And we plus with the 1 that we carried just now. And we will get 7. And we write down the unit RM. And we will get the answer of RM 73.00. So the answer is 73 ringgit. So that's all from my lesson. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you.